Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you the new trend effect which is going around TikTok. It's called the Pixelate effect. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So the aim of this filter is basically to pixelate all your video footage. To begin with, let's open up your TikTok app. Now tap on Discover to search for that filter. Search for Pixelate. You should see it appear under Effects. Tap on it and check out all the videos which other people have posted about. Now once you're ready, tap on Try this effect. As you can see, it has pixelated your video. So go ahead and record your video and post it on TikTok. And there you go guys, that's a new Pixelate effect on TikTok which you can try. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.